Early June in Malaysia's Johor Bahru, strong winds blew through Kangkar Tebrau, causing most of the houses to be damaged. Tzu Chi volunteers decided to assist some of the residents with repair expenses, and the contractors who were hired were glad to do it at a cost lower than normal market rates. Disaster victims ceased to repair their torn rooftops while the sun is out. Continuous heavy rainstorms have blown through Kangkar Tebrau, causing many rooftops in this area to fly away. Tzu Chi volunteers went to survey the disaster area and found some families helpless and unable to pay for repairs. Muhammad Marzuki's neighbor's beams were caught up by the storm and smashed into his house. As a result, the rooftop was severely damaged, leaving only one room and the kitchen unharmed. This family of 4 relies on Muhammad Marzuki, who works as a painter, to support everyone.
The heavy rainstorm pounded this area abruptly. My children and I were frightened to witness everything that happened, including parts of our neighbor's house being blown away.
The rooftop and the second-floor rooms of Hushani Ramli's house were also damaged, leaving the family of 5 to sleep cramped on the first floor.
Even without the rooftop, we can sleep, but I have been forced to sleep at the back of the hallway.
Husani Ramli's income has been unstable after the disaster. His wife's sewing room was also affected.
If it rains, I pull all the plugs out. I can't continue to sew because I'm worried about getting shocked.
Near the affected area, Tzu Chi volunteers found construction workers who were willing to help the victims repair their houses.
Seeing the NGOs and Tzu Chi helping the disaster victims day in and day out inspires me to do my part to help. As a sign of my gratitude, I don't care about the cost of the repairs.
Not long after work began, it started to rain. Seeing that the workers continued their repair work, Muhammad Marzuki pitched in to help prepare the construction materials, while his wife and child cleaned up the debris. After the repair work was completed, everyone gathers to celebrate a job well done, as well as bask in the feeling of love that surrounds them.